Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. The Art Deco kitchen is a glamorous and luxurious design style that originated in the 1920s and 1930s. It embraces opulence, geometric patterns, and a sense of sophistication, creating a space that exudes elegance and vintage charm. One of the defining features of an Art Deco kitchen is its emphasis on rich and luxurious materials. High-quality finishes like marble, polished metals, and exotic woods are often used to create a lavish and sumptuous ambience. Gleaming stainless steel appliances and chrome accents further enhance the Art Deco aesthetic, adding a touch of modernity to the vintage-inspired design. Geometric shapes play a prominent role in Art Deco kitchens. Bold and symmetrical patterns, such as chevrons, zigzags, and sunbursts, are incorporated into backsplash tiles, flooring, and cabinet design. This geometric motif adds a sense of dynamism and visual interest to the space, creating an atmosphere of energy and allure. The color palette in an Art Deco kitchen is often a combination of deep and rich colors. Jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, and ruby red are commonly used to add depth and drama. Contrasting these bold hues with neutral shades like cream, beige, or black creates a balanced and harmonious color scheme. Cabinetry in an Art Deco kitchen often features sleek and streamlined designs. Clean lines, chrome hardware, and mirrored or lacquered finishes contribute to the polished and glamorous appearance. Glass front cabinets can showcase beautiful dishware and add to the overall elegance of the space. Lighting is a crucial element in Art Deco design, creating a mood of opulence and allure. Ornate chandeliers with geometric motifs or cascading crystals serve as striking focal points in the kitchen. Sconces with frosted glass shades or torchieres with metal accents provide soft and flattering illumination. Art Deco kitchens often incorporate luxurious and comfortable seating areas. Curved or upholstered dining chairs with geometric detailing and plush cushions add a touch of vintage glamour to the dining area. A small breakfast nook with a circular table and Art Deco-style chairs provides a cozy spot for morning coffee or casual meals. Accessorizing the Art Deco kitchen with decorative elements adds to its charm and elegance. Bold and striking artwork, such as geometric prints or vintage posters, can adorn the walls, adding a touch of history and personality to the space. Displaying vintage glassware or cocktail shakers on open shelves or bar carts adds to the sophistication of the design. In conclusion, the Art Deco kitchen is a captivating and glamorous style that embraces opulence, geometric patterns, and vintage charm. Through the use of luxurious materials, bold colors, and ornate detailing, the Art Deco kitchen creates a space that exudes elegance and allure. From the sleek cabinetry to the striking lighting fixtures, every element in the Art Deco kitchen contributes to the overall sense of sophistication. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!